Wagwan my people, bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know, before we jump into the video, we're gonna take time frame. Thank Father God so we have a life. Please like, share, subscribe on this video, everyone. And everybody, you can see Wagwan. Brii release some things on IG. Basically at this silk bar, she tell himself to stay far, she not trust in him, and she say, you know, a bag of things we're gonna get tonight, people. So as me say, they're gonna like, share, subscribe on that video and see what go on. Alright my people, so everybody must know say Silk Boss actually went and he did a song for his lovely baby mama, and her name is Brii, right? So what has been happening, and I did do a video on that a couple days ago. Silk Boss came out and, you know, apologized to her because he actually got someone else pregnant. You understand? So that is really what's happening. He got someone else pregnant, and Brii, she kinda, you know, I'm not gonna say she kinda, because any female where they in that situation, they're gonna feel some type of way. They're gonna feel upset. They're not gonna feel good with them baby father right now. So what's happening is Silk Boss is an artist, so him did actually go and get rose, one bag of thing, buy a promise ring, go to Brii, one bag of things, and then now we are to the stage where he actually did a song. He released a song for Brii specifically, you understand? And then this is Brii's response after the song has been released, people. So yeah, and basically you can see what Brii is saying right here. Brii is saying she has lost all trust, you understand, lost all interest basically, and she's calling him weird and said he's a liar. So you can see so clearly she's still there in her, you know, she still feel some type of way about it. And you don't know, when in them situation, I cannot dictate or tell Brii how to feel. You understand? If she have any friends and the need for make sure you say, you know, when I show her support and all of them something there. But anyway, people, let me know what you want to think about this. You understand? Because remember, say Silk Boss go all out and do song and them something there. So I know said this is not the response that he was expecting to get from Brii and all of that. Maybe you don't know, it can be that she just go and hold it out, be angry, because I mean she angry at one of the most emotional time frame based on reading a book. That's what it tells me. That's a female experience in her life. So maybe she just still a bit emotional, but when the baby born, things becomes a bit clearer. You understand? Hopefully them can push it behind them by them time there when the baby born. You understand? But anyway, my people, let me know how you feel about that little snippet here, that little video here. And of course, I hear some mega jump off for the rest of the afternoon, everybody. So you don't know, maybe gonna like, share, subscribe on my channel. Big up on yourself, Jamaican Chat.